Hi, this is Brook from XP.NETWORK. Today I'm going to show you that RPC API works exactly like your backend works in Web 2. So basically you can just send post requests to RPC nodes. They will respond as if it were your backend. The major difference between Web 2 and Web 3 is that in Web 3, both the logic of the backend and the database itself are on-chain. So the chain is like your backend database built together. Your front end can live at the blockchain because it doesn't have to be so secure, be controlled by so many validators. It's okay for it outside the chain. So basically what you need here is to create a post request to one of the RPC nodes on chainlink.com. All the parameters that you provide here should go to the body of your request. Should a JSON API body. So what you do is just show you how I create it. What you can do is you change get post, hide the RPC node address, go to body, to row, and change JSON. Now you provide your JSON here. The major thing you need here is ID. This is the ID of your request. Second thing, you have to give the JSON RPC version used 2.0. Then the obligatory method is method. This is strict JSON. Everything either a string or a number. You also can boolean. Okay, and another field that you need parameters. Don't have parameters, leave them. This part is obligatory. This here I'm going to show you a bunch of requests that should work and how easy it is. So if you have problems interacting with such libraries, VM, PlugMe, and so on, basically they're just convenience methods around the APIs. As long as you understand those APIs and you interact with them, you pretty need those. People think it's convenient to use them, so that's the thing for your work. So basically what you do here is just request the RPC code behind this address will respond. So the first is shown the version of Web 3. We see version is 1.43.9. This is the version RPC client where the next. So the next thing allows you to create F3, which is an 6 from any data. For example, here we have this is easy to use. So here the most important thing is the to say Web 3 and 3, provide the data that you want to hash. Okay, it's actually okay. So the string that I gave 1, 2, 3. Let's leave it like this. Okay, it's very important that the length of the string is even, because every byte is represented by 2 digits, 2 characters. Give an odd number coded. This. Now we have a valid Okay, so for example, if we add it now, go to the next. Okay. So here we will either get true or false, whether this node is listening. We see that this node is active and has listened. Also ask it how many peers do you see, which means how many other nodes this node connect. Here we see it's 32. You have to remember that 32 is not decimal. It's a hex. Network. Okay, this is Ethereum net version. We could try some RPC. List. Here. Now results. This is the ID which is from inside itself. This is how you can find out. So for example, times you provide this RPC address, what MetaMask does, it calls exactly this method. Check that the blockchain that this is its ID, which you also provide when you add this. So it knows provided the address from the correct. Okay, block number. So this returns the latest block number of the chain. Okay, so what it does here? Okay, so what this RPC and it gets the balance. And so if we put it it is 1 with 15.0, so it's 0.001. Okay, this returns the code of a block. The JSON block. Right? Here we can see the logs, but it can so for example, if you know how many transactions you get the number of transactions. This is the hash. Okay, this particular gets the number of transactions. There's another one has the same number of. So this is the number, and if we grab it, see that it's 185 that block. Okay, and this is transaction here. The number is shorter because it's the number of. So they bring us in 100 actions of the block, but now we only needed the number of it. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget